This is the NOVUS 17-inch Front Tine Tiller NV17FTG. The NOVUS 2-in-1 Front Tine Tiller is a compact yet highly capable machine, designed for residential gardeners to handle tough soil with ease. Powered by a robust and fuel-efficient 7-9cc gas engine, and with a 139 RPM tine speed, this machine is perfect for weeding and loosening soil, making your gardening tasks much easier. The 24 double-edge, 9.5-inch steel tines ensure durable and efficient soil cultivation, making garden setup simple by easily tilling through all soil types. The 8-inch wheels ensure easy movement and effortless tiller storage. The low center of gravity design offers stability and a tilling depth of 4 to 6 inches. Adjustable tilling widths, 9 inches, 14 inches, 17 inches, and a lightweight, balanced design for easy garden maneuvering. With this machine, you can enjoy effortless digging and efficient gardening, saving your time and energy. This versatile and reliable tiller is designed for quick and efficient turning. Whether you reprepping a new bed or rejuvenating existing soil, the NV17FTG is the ideal tiller for cultivating light to moderately tough soil.